Welcome once again to Home Workouts by Coach Remmy. Today's workout, we are going to do cardio. The way we are going to do this cardio, 40 seconds activity and we rest 20 seconds and then we move on to the next exercise. If you're new to this channel, my name is Remmy. I'm a certified personal trainer dedicated to bringing you fun and challenging workouts you can do from the comfort of your home or anywhere else that fits. This is part of our 30 days workout program. You can follow for a whole month long if you want the snowball effect to start rolling and get in the habit of doing something every day to improve your fitness. This is the program to do that. Each workout, it's only 11 minutes and you can do it. Today we are going to work the cardio. All right, let's get right into our workout. Hip mobility. Let's do this for 20 seconds in this direction and then we switch. Okay, switch the direction of rotation. Okay, let's do kicks. During the break, we are going to warm the shoulders. Okay, let's go on the shoulders, 10 seconds. Change direction of rotation. Okay, let's go on the wrist. So 40 seconds activity and we rest 10 seconds. Let's go stationary jogging. 40 seconds. All right, next one, jumping jacks. Or the modification, if you're a beginner and you're looking for something easier, let's go. Rest. Next one, we are going to high knees. This is modification. So bringing the knee as high as you can. Let's go. Beautiful. Next one, jumping jacks or star fly. All right, 40 seconds. Push yourself as much as you can. Let's go. Soft landing, and then you explode up. Beautiful. Next one, high knees, 40 seconds. Let's go. Beautiful. Wonderful. Next one, squat. Squat. If you're explosive, jump squat. Let's go. Land with soft knees. Absorb the shock in your muscles, quadriceps, and hamstrings. Wonderful. Oh, yes. Next one, we're going to alternate lunges. Upright, right angle in the knee, big step forward. This is a way of doing active recovery. If you need more help, you can put your hands on the forward leg. Beautiful. Wonderful, guys. Next one, we're going to burpee. This is the modification. We're not doing the push-up, it's the half burpee. Let's go. Core tight when you're kicking backward. Yes, 2 more exercises. Let's go to high knees. Beautiful. If you need a good stretching, check the description or this corner for the suggestion. Wow guys, let's finish with jumping jacks. Wonderful guys, thank you for choosing to spend your time with me. Coach Remmy here, bringing you fun and challenging workouts you can do from the comfort of your home. Type a comment about how this workout feels for you, and see you in the next workout.